guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today, and I hope you're ready for day 4 of this Madam Glam advent calendar. We're going to be unboxing the gift from December 4th. So far we've done 4 days in a row, going strong. So yeah, I haven't missed a beat yet, so I'm kind of proud of myself. I haven't peaked or anything like that. But yeah, I'm like super stuffed right now because I just ate some Thai food for the first time. And it was actually really good. I had like some shrimp soup and some like little steamed dumplings. It was so good, but now my stomach is so bloated. But yeah, I'm here for this gift either way. So today is day 4. So it looks like we have like this long like package. So I'm excited to know what could be in this one. This is what day 4's box looks like. This one is all gold and holographic. I love the way they coordinated like this whole kit. It's so nice. So yeah, let's open it up. I wonder what it is. It feels like some kind of pen or something. Ooh. It's a polygel brush. That's so cute. It says Madam Glam on it, which I hope you guys can see that, because you know my camera likes to do me wrong a lot of these times. So yeah, it's a polygel brush, and it has a little scraper on one side and the little gel brush on the other side, which is really nice because yesterday we did get the little polygels for day 3. It came with 2 clear polygels, so it's nice that they included like a little polygel brush. I really like that. That's really nice. So yeah, I'm excited to see what day 5 is gonna be. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. So this is what day 5's box is looking like. I don't know, it might be another polish, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Because I thought day 3 was gonna be a polish or something. It ended up being polygel, so we will see. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's unboxing. Like I said, these videos are going to be like super quick because we literally have 25 days to go through. But yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's unboxing video. So yeah, as always, the links to this calendar will be in the description box, along with my discount code. You guys can use my discount code on the polishes, just not the calendar, because I believe it was already marked down. I know I say that in every video, but I'm just saying it for the people who like don't know already, because I don't really know if like the same people are watching. But yeah, you guys get what I'm saying. It's never too late to treat yourself with some Madam Glam. They have really nice polishes. You guys will definitely not be disappointed. They're my all-time favorite gel polishes, and you guys know I wouldn't recommend anything that I didn't like to you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you all for coming and watching me unbox this, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I always post nail tutorials, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.